Hello, my name is Charles Cadell and welcome to a K12Press online tutorial. Today we're going to look at the event builder. In fact, we're going to create a couple of quick events and just start with the basics and show you guys how to do a simple event on your website. Now, events on your campus or district website are probably the most often viewed elements of your website. In fact, when I've gotten complaints from visitors to a website before, it's because the events modules weren't updated and populated with events. So I assure you that that's something that you need to make sure you stay on top of. There's other tutorials that we have on how you can import events from existing Google calendars, iCalendars, things like that. Be looking for those tutorials if you need to figure out how to merge calendars together or sync them. But this is going to be a basic, simple tutorial on how to just add an event. So we use the Events Calendar plugin by Modern Tribe, and really the easiest way to do this is just create an event from your admin toolbar. Once you're signed into the website, and as long as your user is granted access to be able to create events, you can go to New and you can go down here to Event. Now there's only two requisites to create a basic event for it to show up in the calendar, and that's a title for the event and an event time and date. So we're gonna say, you know what, this is School Board Agenda Review. And if you want to scroll down here to the events calendar, you can just set a date and time. And we're gonna make this be a Thursday, tomorrow at 4:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Now you can make this an all-day event if you were marking the beginning or end of a 6 weeks period or some type of, celebration day or end of school day or something like that. But if you have a specific start and end time, you can go ahead and enter that here. I am in the central time zone. I'll tell you, I've learned a trick to make sure that when you choose time zone, choose a city. That way it actually follows the daylight savings time and things like that within your time zone. I've had the issue with using the other time zones where you'd have to change it when the time zones would update with daylight savings time. So that's a good way to be able to get through that. You can enter in venue name and location. It's going to save that information. It has neat features to where it will actually give you turn-by-turn directions and things like that for people following on their mobile. You can set up organizer names. You can create websites. There's an event cost. There's a ticketing module that's available within the premium plugin for upgrading your K12Press plugin library. However, for this particular thing, we're just going to set up a quick event and just show you how that's done. So we've created the title. We've put in a start date and time. Right here, you can actually create a page. So every event is an actual post or a page. So you can add as much information you want here. If you need to add stuff about, for this instance, for a school board agenda review, if you need to put in documents, you can put in. You have the PDF plug-in here. You have the add media where you can post and add pictures, images, all text. It's a page, so you can use your Divi builder to create content as needed. So if this is an event that you want to promote, some type of fundraiser event or some type of field trip, and you need to post all the things that kids need to remember and have stuff there for your parents, you have a lot of real estate to be able to add that. But those are all optional. The only requirement for adding an event is just a title and a date and time. So if we go ahead and publish this, it's published. So all through the website, anywhere you have events referenced, it's dynamic, it updates. So you can actually go to the home page and you can scroll down and see, wow, well, there's the event we just created, the agenda review, and you can actually see it over here. February 29th is the next agenda review. Well, February 1st is the agenda review. By the way, these little plugins that you see on the home page here, these are a part of the premium plugin edition for the K12Press plugin library. So if you upgrade, you get access to these modules, which make it very easy to drop in different kinds of Divi modules on all your Divi pages to be able to pull in those event lists and calendars that you have there. If you don't upgrade. You actually do have the events calendar module that you can use to be able to update events. It's just when you want to display those events, you have to use the default calendar or short codes and things within the existing Divi modules. It's a little trickier. You don't have as much easy access to customizing the look that you do once you have these premium plugins plugged in. But at any rate, you can see there that the agenda board view is right there. So you can just click on the event there and it'll load up the default event page. Really, this is pretty blank. You just added a date and time and a title, so that's all that's there. But if you were to have added a image, a gallery, animations, a list of required documents or documents themselves, all that would show here, along with a map if you put the location or the venue name. All that shows, but this is something that's available for everybody. So I hope that was a quick tutorial to be able to show you how to create a new event. Please like and subscribe K12Press on YouTube. If you're into seeing tutorials on how to use WordPress as your campus or district website, we're here to serve you. So thank you very much for your time.